Hi, good morning. This is Aman Kapoor from Your Insurance Guy, and I hope you're well. I just finished my early morning run, and I wanted to reach out to you with a thought on term life insurance. As we all know, term insurance is a cost-effective way to insure yourself, where you're insured at a constant cost of insurance for the duration of the term. So you can select a 10-year term, a 20-year term, a 25-year term, 30-year term. Um, you can also actually select a customized term, which could be for an odd number like 21 years and 23 years, depending on your financial planning needs and your objectives. And what happens is that the cost of insurance remains the same for that duration of the term. And after that, of course, the cost goes up. So some of the important aspects of term insurance is that we find in the insurance marketplace today that term insurance rates are very competitive. And I have actually found that even when a few years have passed, maybe 2 or 3 years have passed, people can still find insurance rates to seem fairly competitive in comparison to what they were paying for a policy that they had acquired a couple of years ago. So that is saying something. Also, there is preferred underwriting in a lot of cases, even though there is a restriction or there are some constraints during COVID-19 times on having an interface or an appointment with a healthcare professional to do your medical. But if you still go ahead and do that, and if you fall in the category of a preferred rate or a elite rate, that can really bring down the costs of your insurance. Term insurance, as you know, is convertible most of the time, where you can actually convert some of your term insurance or all your term insurance amount to a permanent whole life policy. So the important thing about term insurance is that when your needs at some point in time are high, and when your liabilities are high and your responsibilities are soaring, it is important to have term life insurance, because guess what? It's a cost-effective way to insure yourself. If your health is good, above average, you can be qualified for preferred and elite rates. You can name and mention several beneficiaries to your policy, so you don't have to have just one beneficiary. You can have a few. You can also have contingent beneficiaries. You can convert the policy to whole life, and you can have a few other riders to the policy. And I'm going to talk about that in my next video, but just thought that I will quickly tell you folks about the cost effectiveness and the advantage of having a term life policy. It is a tax-free tool to insure yourself, because a life insurance policy that has a preferred beneficiary is a tax-free asset to the beneficiary. So you're leaving behind a tax-free asset for your loved ones, for them to be able to move on in life and execute some of the objectives that you have jointly framed during your lifetime. So I want to at this note say that please internalize on reviewing your life insurance policies, reviewing your life insurance needs. You can feel free to give me a call, or you can just respond to this video by sending me a message saying whether you would be interested in doing an insurance review, and I would be happy to speak to you about it. In the meantime, I wish you a lot of good health, well-being, and safety. Thank you. Bye-bye.